So we were sold on this idea that Cape Town is running out of water. And now we're kind of left with more questions than answers.
But one thing that everyone is asking us is,
how can it go from day zero happening
next month
to being
pushed back
to 2019?
that's a good question. But one thing I do know is, damn!
The dams are still empty.
We're at Waterskloof Dam, not much has changed, even after the rains. Seems there's still a long road ahead of us.
This is the exact spot where I released my very first water vlog, and it still seems that the water is in fact potentially even lower than where it was initially. But Waterskloof is not the only dam in the Western Cape. Spires Upper, which is actually looking a lot emptier than when I last saw it. I'm talking really fast because there's a massive baboon right over there. I think this is not really a major supply of the water, Cape Town water, and
what about the desalination plant?
let's go look.
Let's go.
I can just hear crickets in the background because that clearly is not ready over there. There's not even a roof on it, and it was supposed to be done in March. Today is like May 1st.
So you did it. It may not be ready.
Yeah, no, I think we should edit that one out.
But didn't you do a vlog about one of the city's major boreholes without me? Just to add.
Well, that didn't seem to work out as well as we thought. You know, it's a funny thing is that when the media were here, this place was like gushing with water.
And now it's shut tighter than ever. No water, no water.
I guess the bottom line is that there's been a ton of rumors that have just been floating around everywhere. Like day zero was only there so that the government could charge us more for water.
Or the day zero is still coming, but the local government was worried it would affect them during an election year. Dum dum dum.
All that day zero was never actually that bad in the first place, and it was completely over-exaggerated to make people fall in line around water consumption.
Or there is a perfectly normal explanation, but once again the city of Cape Town has struggled to communicate to the masses.
Either way, the disappearance or the prolonging of day zero does not correlate at all around the whole doomsday message of we're all gonna die that was no more than like a month or two ago.
There must be explanation. There really must be explanation. We need to find it.
Something doesn't smell right.
This water crisis thing has affected the economy. Some of my friends are in the hotel business and hotels have been empty. They've lost millions and millions and millions.
The whole economy of the Cape area suffered dramatically.
But the thing that irritates me the most is not having to flush my toilet when I pee. It smells like a urinal. But lastly, the only positive thing about this water crisis is that you got to convince people to shower in twos and threes.
So once again, the purpose of this video is to find answers. Recently I had a vlog scheduled with Musi Maimani, and that was cancelled not just a week before we were scheduled to do it because day zero was pushed back. We want you to share the living daylights out of this. Tag DA, say da, hey, tag da, tag them so they can give us answers. We want answers. We can't one day, we're about to die, then there's water, then there wasn't water, but now there is water. No, we want to hear them, we want to hear the Musi, if you want to do a video with us, let's do it. Let's get the answers that we need, and hopefully
I wonder if Musi can actually toy to.
Musi, we can toy in the vlog as well. That'd be great.
We want our water.
Guys, share this video. Let's get answers to the many questions that so many people have had. And go and like my page and subscribe below if you're watching us on YouTube.